How to create card in Bootstrap 5. If you want to also create card in Bootstrap 5, then this is the right video for you. After watching this entire video, you can also create beautiful and attractive type of the Bootstrap card. So it is one of the useful component which is available in Bootstrap 5. So if you are also creating a responsive website with card, then this is the right video for you. Okay. So if you are creating a portfolio website, or if you are creating the business website, or any type of the website, then in that case you can use the card. So without any delay, let's start.
So hello everyone. So from today we are going to learn about the Bootstrap 5 cards. Okay. So a Bootstrap card in Bootstrap 5 is a border box with some padding around its content. So it includes option for header, footer, content, color, etc. Okay. So it is one of the amazing thing. So you can easily create the basic type of the card in Bootstrap 5. So without any delay, let's start. So first of all, you have to come in the 𝗧𝗵𝗆𝗶𝗹 and you have to click in the docs. Then after that, you will get this boilerplate code and you have to copy this one. Then after that, you have to come in your text editor and you have to paste it. If you click in the run, so now you can see here, it is showing me the result. Okay. Okay. So now you can see it is giving the hello world, right? So now I can change. Okay, so I can easily change all the things from here. Okay, so now I'm going to create the card in the Bootstrap 5. Okay, so now I'm going to change it. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to create a card here. For that one, I can easily use this one. So you have to create a div. Then inside div, you have to create another div. Okay, so I am just giving this one basic cards. So for this div, I'm going to give a class. Okay, so that class is a card. Okay, then after that, for this div, I'm going to give another class. So that class is card minus body. Okay, after that, I'm clicking in the run. So after clicking in the run, so now you can see it is giving me the result. Okay, so just wait for a moment. Okay, so now you can see it is giving me the basic type of the card, right? So in this way you can easily create the card. Okay, so if you copy this code and after that if you paste this one, so now you can see it will create another more cards in your Bootstrap. Okay, so in this way you can easily create the basic cards and you can create the contextual card also. Okay, so it is also too much easy. So if you want to add the background color in the card, so you can use the contextual classes. Okay, so for that one, just you have to use your classes. For example, if you want to use the color of this one, just you have to use another class 𝗵𝗲𝗵𝗲𝗍. Okay, and if you click in the run, so now we can see it will give me a result. Okay, so now you can see it is giving me the nice type of the background, right? Okay, so if I want to use another class here, 𝗵𝗲-danger, and if I click in the run, so now you can see it is giving me the this type of the result. So in this way you can easily use this one. Okay, okay, so and you can create the card title also. So if you want to create the card title and if you want to create the card class, it is also too much easy. So for that one, just you have to come inside this div. Okay, so let's create another type of the card. Okay, so first of all, I'm creating a div. So inside this div, I am using a class that is body. Then after that, again, I'm creating another div. Okay, so inside this div, I'm creating a class. Okay, so that class is card minus body. Then after that, I'm going to create a 𝗧𝗲. So inside this 𝗧𝗲, I'm giving a class. Okay, so this class is card minus title. So here again, I'm creating a paragraph. and I am giving few text here. Okay, then after that I am using a class here. Okay, so that class is giving so I am using a card minus text. Okay, text. Okay, then after that I'm clicking in the run. So now we can say I created a this type of the card, right? Okay, so if I want to give, okay, so this is a simple type of the card, and you can create a card link also. Okay, so for that one, after closing the p tag, you can use anchor text here. Okay, so I'm using a hatch. Then you have to give a class here. Okay, so I'm giving a class, and that class is card minus link. Okay, and after that I'm giving card link. Then again I'm creating another new anchor text. Okay, again I'm using hatch. Then after that I'm creating another class. That class is card minus link, and I'm creating another link. Okay, and I'm clicking in the run. So now we can see in this way you can create a simple type of the card. Okay, so I think I did mistake here. So this should be card. Okay, then after that I am clicking in the run. So now we can say I created a simple type of the card. Okay, so if you want to add the images inside your card, you have to use a image. Okay, so for that one I am giving I'm creating a card. Okay, so before the card minus body, I have to create a image, and you have to give a source. So for that one I am just using a bootstrap image. Okay, so I am just coming here, then I can easily use this image. Okay, I'm going to use this image. For this one I'm going to right click and clicking in the copy image address, and I'm using this image in the source. Then after that you have to use a class for this one. Okay, so for this one I'm using a class card minus img minus top. After that I'm clicking in the run. So now we can see I created this type of the image, right? And for the image you can use okay, where is my image? Okay, this is card minus text. Okay, here is the image. And for the image you can give a style also here. So for this one I'm going to style, and width is equal to 50% only. Okay, then I'm going to click in the run. So it is creating a nice type of the card, right? So in this way you can easily create card. Okay, and you can create the card image overlay also. Okay, so for this one just you have to use the card image minus overlay class. For that one just you have to create another class here. So I am using this one here. Okay, again I'm creating another div here. Inside this div I'm giving a class. This div class should be card minus img minus overlay, and this div should be come in the bottom. Okay, so I'm just selecting and cutting this one here. Okay, and then after that I'm clicking in the run. So now you can see here the text is overlay, right? Just all the material or all the text should be inside this class. that is card minus image match over. If you use this class, then you can see here the image is in the back side and the text is in front of the image, right? So in this way you can use this one. Okay, so in this way you can use this one. Okay, so today in this video we discussed about the card, and if you want to get the source code, I will give the link in the video description and you can check that one. Okay,
hoping that now you will be also able to create the Bootstrap 5 card. So if you have still any kind of confusion, let me know in the comment section, and please share this video to among those people who are trying to learn the Bootstrap 5 card. So I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye. See you again.